short video, I'm going to show you how to install the Unitu app onto your desktop so you can access it whenever you want rather than having to go to the browser. And it will work and operate as a normal native application. So first you want to have yourself logged in onto the Chrome browser, onto your Unitu account. Once you've done that, on the top right, there is 3 dots, which is like a menu icon in the Chrome browser. Click on that, scroll down to More Tools, and then click on Create Shortcut. When we click on Create Shortcut, a pop-up will come up, and you want to click on Open as New Window. So once we've clicked on Open New Window, we then want to click on Create. And there you have it. So this is the Unitu native desktop application. And if we just minimize it, you'll see it on the home screen there. And you can double click that and you'll be automatically logged in to be able to access. So you don't have to go to the URL or go to Unitu.co.uk to find your university logo. You can click on that and then you'll be able to access Unitu from your desktop.